Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up API key on Binance. As a first step, go to Binance.com. And then once you're in here on your profile, you just basically hover over your profile icon right here. You'll be able to see account right here in the left panel. Okay, so click on it and then go ahead over to API management, just like so. And then once that's done, okay, make sure that this one is ticked. And you'll be able to see the default security control details right here. We're not going to talk about that for now. So I'll just go ahead and click on Create API. Now you can go ahead and use system generated, which is HMAC symmetric encryption. Okay, it works with HMAC symmetric encryption. The second one right here is self-generated. And this one works with AD25519 or RSA asymmetric encryption. So I'm just going to use system generated right here. Hit on next. Now go ahead and give it a descriptive name. For example, my trading bot, and then hit on next. Now go ahead and verify with these two, okay, as it needs to. Go ahead and first verify with the passkey and verify with facial verification. Okay, just basically follow simple prompts. All right, and once done verifying, you'll be able to see your specific API right here. As you can see here, I have HMAC my trading bot. You can just click on it to view its contents, including the API key, API secret, and the address. Okay, you can go ahead and enable some sort of API restrictions right here. For example, enable reading, enable features, throwables, and some other options. But before you can edit one, make sure to click on edit restrictions right here. Enable things that you need, and also the IP restriction right here. You can go ahead and restrict this one, or restrict the access to trusted IPs only. All right. Once that's done, hit on save, and you'll be good to go. That is how you set up API key on Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.